Okay, hi everyone. Mark Rosen, board certified healthcare attorney in the state of Florida. Today we're going to talk about garnishments. No discussion of asset protection is complete without a little discussion of garnishments. What is a garnishment? A garnishment is a way of collecting money in the state of Florida when someone has a judgment against them. For doctors that are bare or other people that are sued, if you were to lose the lawsuit, at the end the court gives you a judgment, which is a piece of paper that says you owe money to a person. You can't take that judgment and spend it at the supermarket or buy a house with it. You need to find a way to turn it into money. And what a plaintiff's attorney or a collection attorney is going to do is do a garnishment. So a garnishment is a way of freezing money held by a third party for the judgment debtor. So if you're the person like the physician, they can take a garnishment and try to freeze a bank account that you owe. And I'm going to go through some examples of garnishment because there are several. How is money garnished? Well, the most basic one is, like I discussed, freezing a bank account. You have your money at a bank. During a deposition, they're going to ask you some questions. Where's your money? Where do you bank? Where do you keep your investments? Once they get the name of that institution, the plaintiff's attorney goes to the courthouse and files a garnishment. That's a document that's served upon the bank that says freeze all monies held in the name of Dr. Jones. The bank is going to hold that money until it's disposed of by a court. Another method of garnishment is wages. If you're someone that works for another person, an employer, the garnishment can be sent to your boss and money can be withheld from your check. There are certain exemptions that apply to that, which we're going to talk about, but that is another method of garnishment. There's freezing a bank account, sending the paper to your boss to hold money from your check. Another example is money from a third party. Say you're the owner of the medical practice and a health insurance company has a bunch of money they owe you. If the judgment owner and the lawyer are crafty, they can send that garnishment to the health insurance company and say, hey, any money you owe to Dr. Jones, you need to hold. And then we'll have a court dispose of it and possibly turn it over to the plaintiff. Finally, an important aspect of garnishment is the discovery and aid of execution. I mentioned this earlier. When you are sued, if there is a judgment, the plaintiff's lawyer has the opportunity to take your deposition, find out where your bank accounts are, what you got in your house, what your job is, all your sources of income. He's going to take all that information and decide whether or not he is going to try to freeze a bank account. He's going to find out the location. That's basically garnishment. So thank you.